Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft EdgeCP.exe high CPU usage on your system, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So open Microsoft Edge and then you can close it and reopen it. So I'll tell you why. This will kind of reset a lot of processes, but it can still cause high CPU usage. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Go to manage extensions and start disabling extensions. If that helps, then simply remove the extensions. After this, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select help and feedback and select about Edge. It will start checking for updates and update Edge to the latest version. Okay, as you can see, it is currently updating it. It means that there were updates which were in pending. While this happens, we will start with the last solution, which is to reset the Edge settings. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the default value, reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.